Well, the pandemic has resulted in hybrid work models more and more, with companies giving employees the choice to work from home or remotely. This offers flexibility to employees as well, who can be based anywhere geographically.
24-year-old Kshitya Shetty works with Kotak Life Insurance. Since the pandemic, her office has an active work-from-home culture. Kshitya joined Kotak as a medical underwriter a year ago and has spent 7 months of that working from home. She is quite comfortable with her laptop connected online with other office colleagues, and meetings with team members happen through the day. What Kshitya says works is that even online, her office sticks to a 9 to 6 p.m. working schedule.
वर्क फ्रॉम होम ही अच्छा है, अभी करने को सब मिल रहा है, लाइक घर पे ही है और टाइम एंड और भी बच जाता है ट्रैवलिंग का एंड कॉस्ट भी बच जाता है. सो आई एम थिंकिंग कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम ही बेटर ऑप्शन रहेगा.
Nitish Gavankar, an IT professional for past 7 years, is also working from home. Since the pandemic last year, for Nitish, this means his productivity is better.
I can give time to my family without hampering my office work. Additionally, I can invest the commute time in my own personal development, such as giving certifications, doing yoga, etc.
But it may not be everyone's cup of tea. Priyanka Shriram works with an e-commerce company. Most of her colleagues are still working from home, but Priyanka prefers working from office. As she says, a home can often have distractions.
I like to work at office. It's a comfortable zone to work. My family stays, so like around 5 to 6 people are there, so I'm not comfortable at working home.
The hybrid model, if it has to work, let's not think of it as only office and home. There is going to be a concept of a third place. I think you may want to call it a satellite office, or you may call it whatever. I call it a third place.
According to a survey done by Indeed India, a leading job portal, work from home is an emerging trend and is influencing the ability of companies to hire talent irrespective of where they are based. Survey says work from home searches skyrocketed 966% in April 2021 as against April 2020. Survey also suggested 29% employees are willing to stay remote as long as there is work from home, and 24% people want to work remotely until the pandemic is around. But as far as Indian employers are concerned, 67% of large companies would not prefer work from home. 70% of medium-sized companies would not prefer work from home.
More and more companies will need to offer flexibility to their employees, where they're able to choose working full-time from office, working for a few days from office, or working completely remote. Obviously, these choices will also depend on the kind of roles that people do.
The pandemic has led to the emergence of interesting work models. A hybrid work model is newly emerging, and that will offer flexibility to employees who either want to work from home or from office, and that is what will be the trend going forward. In Mumbai, with camera person Ashok Mahadik and Praveen Ji Rohit, this is Purva Chitnis for NDTV.